Hey guys, it's me Sangram. You're watching Research Rocks. In today's video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is very interesting for me. I just purchased yesterday from Amazon T10 football gloves. So we will see which types of product I am receiving and what is the speciality of this product. I'm purchasing this glove specially someone special living in India. So this gloves is not available on Indian location, so I purchased here in Denmark, Copenhagen, and now I am sending from here to India. Now the box is empty. Look at this gloves packaging, the packing of the gloves. You don't have crazy to be great goalkeepers like this. Its packing is really rich and worth it to buy for €100. It's really amazing. The price of this glove is €100, 896 Danish krona. This is a brand. Look at this one, and the quality of this gloves, it's fabulous. It's really amazing. I just open second one. So look at this guys, this is a football gloves and look like very amazing. I feel very rich. This one is a 4mm gloves. It's really nice. If you really like this simple unboxing of T10 glove, so please hit the bell icon and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.